I mean, look at this. Look at this move here. You really want to screw with this move? I mean, these moving averages don't even touch. The RSI is so high above the 50% line from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Look where the RSI is here. So does this indicate to anybody a reversal to the downside? The RSI on the 5-minute SPY. Yes or no? 321 above sea level the whole time. Shift dots. Other than the Wyckoff wave here, and you had, moments in time here that dipped, but look at price. I mean, where? I guess it was this candle right here that got you, probably. But this is a strong move. I mean, so even if you saw this, so let's look over at the let's look over here just to see what you can see. Yeah, so I don't see all yellow here. There's nothing coming below the 50% here on the 3-minute SPX either. So remember, so Swim Kid, it's 1:47 in the afternoon. What time of day is coming? 2 o'clock. What direction is price moving in at 1:47? Well, it is possible that it could have been the 2 o'clock early. It could have been. I mean, you definitely, you had the looks of a pullback and potential shift, but I mean, you got quite a thing going here. Just look at like this. This is quite a thing to then all of a sudden reverse. Now, it absolutely could have, but your RSI on either chart, neither one of them, this is a pretty important indicator to have in confluence with the rest of them. So you definitely add cycle indicator, but you got mostly, I mean, look at this. So from 1:30 in the afternoon to 2:30 in the afternoon, we'll just call it, for this entire period of time, on the 3-minute chart, you have 2 instances where you got a negative tick, and not a negative tick that closed negative. That would be the big dot. You only had 2 instances here where you got a little bit of a negative tick. The rest are all green ticks. And you got mostly blue. You got bluish and, whatever is going on there. It's not an A plus setup. Look at the RSI just screaming. Look at the buyers just kicking ass here. Above the 50% line the whole time. So really, really difficult for me to have full confidence. Now you got reversal candle, got confirmation candle, moving average cross. That's happening. The trajectory is coming down here, but you don't really have what you need here, do you? You have green ticks and you got a lot of blue dots. So then you say to yourself, all right, well, I'm not sure. Let's look, over here. And you don't even have the moving averages crossing here. Now the moving average is crossed on the short term, and here you don't have the moving averages crossing here. We got purple dot and all yellow except one. You mean blue dot? I mean, if it's that close. Oh, you mean like right here at 3? I think you're talking about right here. Yeah. No, I get it. It's so close at 148. Then you come over here, and what do you see? It would be this candle right here. Yeah, it's this candle right here. So what do you see? Well, this is coming down. This is still up here. This is still up here. You don't have much really there to speak of. Yeah, you know what? Really good idea to, if that was the case, you have two ways to think about it. One is, yeah, no, the oscillator's coming down, and I get that. It did not break structure. No, no, no. Not well. I guess what are you calling this? The low on the 3 minute? Certainly not on the 5. I mean, I get it. I get the wick situation coming down, and it's not a wick at the time. But here's two ways of viewing it. So this will help you going forward, because that's what I want to do, is help you going forward. If you took that trade and it reversed on you, as you see the RSI stays above, as more dots go blue than yellow, right? And price action, then you look over here and you're like, well, it just bounced off the 20. Now I don't have a setup. As soon as it bounces off the 20 on the 5-period moving average, 5-minute chart, you no longer have a setup. So you get out of the trade, right? So if you got out of the trade and then you see it going up higher and retesting and going higher, then you take that trade to the upside. Good. Yeah, so you got out of the trade 5-6 minutes later. Okay, cool. So then if you were right and it was doing this and it started to break through that level again, then you get right back in. Get back in it. You were right the first time. You got out because of whatever. Okay, get back in, right? Absolutely. Get back in But if you were wrong on the initial trade and you saw it reverse and you saw it bounce off of this and you were like, oh shit, if I had only waited one more candle, instead of licking your wounds there, you get right back in and you buy calls.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.